Welcome to qnawire.
Here we have a question regarding the rotational energy transitions in the rotational microwave absorption spectrum of a diatomic molecule. Remember that for rotational spectroscopy, the selection rule is that delta J needs to be equal to plus minus 1. Additionally to that, we know that the energy can be written in terms of the J quantum number, and the energy as a function of n is going to be equal to J times J plus 1 times a rotational constant. Let's call this rotational constant B0, for example. So in this case, we're dealing with the absorption spectrum, and that is why your answer is not marked as correct, because if we're dealing with absorptions, then what is going to happen is that the we're going to absorb energy and we're going from a lower to a higher state. So we're going to from J to J plus 1 in all of the cases. So the correct options are going to be transition from J2 to J3, and from J5 to J6. J3 to J2 would correspond to the emission spectrum. And if we are purely looking at the absorption spectrum of the molecule, then we can only consider the transition from J to J plus 1.